If you find the buttons on your home phone to be small and cumbersome, the MaxiAids Reizen big button speakerphone is the perfect home phone option for you. The first step in assembly is to lay out all of the parts that are included. Next, you can clip one end of the coiled cord into the handset and the other end into the rear of the phone housing. Then, clip the phone line cord into the other receptacle. The other end of this cord can be plugged into your home phone jack. It also comes with an optional wall mounting bracket that you can simply clip into the bottom of the phone housing. Learn more about the MaxiAids Reizen Big Button Speakerphone by visiting halohealthcare.com or tapping the link in the description. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like. Thank you for watching.